Tired of boring, static captions that just sit there? Let's inject some life into your video text with eye-catching animations in CapCut PC. First things first, open CapCut on your PC and import the video you want to work with. Once your video is on the timeline, head over to the text option in the top menu bar. Click on Add Text to create a new text layer. Now, a text box will appear on your timeline, and you can start typing your caption directly into the preview window. As you type your caption, you'll see options like text style, effects, and animation appear. We're going to focus on animation for this tutorial. Click on the animation tab here. You'll find three main categories in animations for when your text appears, out animations for when it disappears, and loop animations that play continuously. Let's start with an in animation. Browse through the various styles, like typewriters, fades, or slides. Click on one to preview how it looks. See how the text now slides into view. You can also adjust the duration of the animation using the slider below. The animation previews make it faster or slower to match the vibe of your video. Similarly, you can add an out animation to give your text a dynamic exit, and if you want a caption to pulsate or move throughout its display, use the loop animations. Experiment with these to find what fits your content best. Remember, you can control how long your animated caption stays on screen by dragging the edges of the text layer on your timeline. And there you have it. Engaging animated captions that will boost your video's appeal. Play around with different combinations to truly make your text pop.